Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today, we'll be sailing on board Dream Cruises World Dream cruise ship to experience what it's like to take a cruise during a pandemic. Arriving at the Marina Bay Cruise Center, you are immediately directed to the car park and sent for a swab test, after which you will be waiting for about 30 minutes for your results. Once you test negative, your number will be called and you can proceed to security, check-in, and immigration. Today, we'll be checking out their 20 square meter balcony cabin. Those new to cruising may find the cabin a tad small, but this size is typical for most cruise ships. Stepping in and immediately to the right is the bathroom, which comes with a single vanity, non-enclosed WC, an enclosed shower with shower wand. Bath amenities feature Dream Cruises Crystal Life products. Moving on to the room centerpiece, the queen-sized bed is adequately large and affords a comfortable night's rest. Not that close to your roomie? No worries, your cabin attendant can convert the queen bed into 2 twin beds. Next to the bed is a compact wardrobe, which contains bathrobes, soft slippers, and a safe. Moving on, there is a suede 3-seater sofa, which is well placed to relax and enjoy the views of the ocean or catch a movie. Speaking of which, there is a comfortably sized LCD TV that is well positioned between the bed and sofa. Next to the TV is a mini dresser where you will find complimentary bottled water as well as sachets of tea and coffee. The hairdryer is located below the dresser and beside the mini fridge. Lastly, the room's namesake, the balcony, featuring 2 chairs and a mini side table, offering a private slice of the sea. A unique quirk about sailing during a pandemic is the need for contact tracing. Hence, guests are required to tap their room keys whenever they transition to a different part of the ship. Nothing can compare to the freedom and tranquility of stepping outside and having nothing but the open sea in front of you. A truly remarkable experience. And what better way to experience this feeling than on a cruise ship? Let's explore what the World Dream has to offer. Starting from the top deck at the back of the ship, the Zouk Beach Club is an amphitheater venue perfect for hosting parties. However, these days it is used for late-night movie screenings. Towards the middle of the ship, we have the main swimming pool flanked by hot tubs. For thrill seekers, there are also 3 water slides. A rope course that includes a cantilevered flying fox, as well as a rock climbing wall. Moving towards the front of the ship, the Palm Court is a spacious lounge where you can enjoy a drink or some light entertainment. If shopping is more of your thing, the Dream Boutiques offers its selection of luxury watches and products. Within the casino is an impressive circular atrium that spans 3 stories. Heading further forward, we arrive at the lobby atrium that is often used for games and activities. You will find the hotel reception right next to it. For more kid-friendly entertainment, there is a video arcade to keep the kids occupied. Rounding out the entertainment options is the Zodiac Theater, where magic shows and performances are held. Due to social distancing restrictions in place, the theater was sparsely populated even though it was technically full. For the health conscious, the Crystal Life Spa includes a health-focused cafe as well as a well-equipped gym. Next to the gym is the bridge viewing gallery where you can observe the crew manage and navigate the vessel. A unique aspect of Dream Cruises ships is the Palace, a separate segment of the ship reserved for exclusive guests that has its own restaurant, casino, gym, and swimming pool. This creates an air of exclusivity and privacy for discerning guests. Now let's move on to the highlight of any cruise: dining. The World Dream offers 3 inclusive dining venues. First up is the Dream Dining Room Upper, which serves Chinese cuisine for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast was a selection of dim sum, fried noodles, and porridge. Just below is the Dream Dining Room Lower, which in contrast serves Western cuisine. During breakfast, waiters carrying trays of pastries would roam around offering them to diners. Lastly is the Lido Buffet, which serves up an international selection of items, and is where you will find the halal food items as well. There is an outdoor section of the Lido, known as the Lido Outdoor Snacks Corner. This area serves up small bites in between meals and for supper. For those with onboard credit, there are other chargeable dining options, such as the Seafood Grill and Prime Steakhouse. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the World Dream cruise ship and a glimpse into what it's like to sail during a pandemic. See you in the next video.